Hello, this is Robert Vance here, and today I'm going to talk to you about installing a plugin for WordPress to enable two-factor authentication, which means you enter your username and password, and then there's a second form of authentication that you use to validate that you are who you say you are. Um, what I'm going to do is we're going to show you how to install the Duo two-factor authentication WordPress plugin. So the first thing you want to do is log into your um, administration panel on your site. And once you're logged in, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Plugins, Add New. In the search box, type Duo, D-U-O, space 2, and click on Search Plugins. That's going to bring up this Duo two-factor authentication plugin. And what it does is it allows you to install a plugin which will add additional layer of security onto your login process, and you can either have that one-time passcode sent via a text message, or if you have an iPhone or an Android or a BlackBerry, there's also mobile apps that you can use to authenticate. So what we're going to do is click the Install Now, and it's going to go and do its magic stuff where it goes out, grabs the plugin, installs it on the server, and then after it's done grabbing everything and getting it installed, it's going to ask you what you want to do. So let's let that install here, and in a second we'll activate it and go through the process of setting it up. It takes a little bit of time to install things sometimes. Now, one thing to know about this plugin is the Duo two-factor authentication. If you're using it for personal use, it's free, but there's limits on it. But they do have other services that allow you to pay for it and get more advanced features and have more uses available. So that is one thing to be aware of with this plugin. And then we activate the plugin. And then after you activate the plugin, you'll see it here in your list of plugins. You can click on the Settings tab, and it will take you to the thing. Now, I've already installed this program on my website before, so it's already got the integration key, the secret key, and the host name and all that. You can enable it for certain roles. Maybe you only want to require the administrator and the editor to use the two-factor authentication. I would recommend anybody above subscriber requiring the two-factor authentication. Now, to set this up, you have to go to this website to log in and create the account and all that. So we'll go over to that website. Signing up is a very simple process. It walks you through it. Like I said, here's the pricing. So up to 10 users for a personal account, it's free. unlimited integrations, all authentication methods. That's the passcodes, phone call, SMS, hardware tokens, and it includes 1,000 credits for text messaging. If you need more text messaging, they do have a fee. An extra 1,000 credits a month costs you $10. For business, it's only $3 per user per month, and the first 10 users are free, and you get 100 credits per user per month. So it's not all that bad of a deal, even for the business one. To get started, you just select the plan you want to sign up for, fill out the information, submit it. It's going to walk you through the process. After you've done that, you're going to log in to their site, and I'll log in here. Grab my login information off screen here. Just give me a second here. Having trouble getting my login information. My password manager for some reason didn't save it. So I'll click the forgot password, and then it will send me a password reset. And then after you reset the password, we'll log in here. And then what it's going to do is, after you log in, it's going to call you on your phone, and you answer your phone, push the pound key, and then that authenticates you and lets you log in. To add an integration, you click on the integration, new integration tab. You come down here to WordPress, type in a name, and click Add Integration, and it's going to give you the integration key, the secret key, and the host name, and you can copy it to the clipboard, and you just go back and paste it in here in the thing, click Save Changes, and you're all set. Now once you've got that installed and you log out, the next time you go to log in, it's going to trigger the Duo process. So you can sit there and say push or have it call you on the phone. Since I've already got the app installed, I'm just going to say Duo push and click login. It's going to send me a login request, and what that does is on the app it sits there and tells me that I have a login request, and then I just say approve or deny. So I'll approve this login, and it logs you in. The other method is a text message where it will text you a 6-digit code and you enter the 6-digit code. I hope you found this useful. Thanks very much. Have a great day.